Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Just wanted to do a quick video on a glitch on Home Depot's app. If you're in Packout, you might want to check this out. If you go on down and go to the Packout large box, the $89 version on the left, put two of those in your cart, and then over there on the right, the 229 Packout 30-inch or 38-inch rolling modular tool chest, put one of those in your cart, and then when you go to your cart and see, you're going to see it gives a discount on both of those. It puts the Packout 22-inch large boxes down to $113.94, and then the Milwaukee rolling modular tool chest down to $145, which that's not that big of a discount. That all adds up to $408.94. But if you look over on the right, the subtotal is the $408.94, but they're taking $300 off of that. You get all three of those pieces for $108.94, so I'm planning on getting this. I've already ordered it, see if they're going to get it to me, and I can sell some of it and get some of it for free. So again, just real quick, wanted to let you know this is out there. I don't know how long it's going to last, but hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.